Hi, good morning. Now we will discuss about structure of DNA molecule. The structure of DNA molecule was proposed by Watson and Crick. Earlier investigation of these DNA molecule structure by Chargaff, Franklin and Wilkins with help of X-ray diffraction technique. According to X-ray diffraction technique, DNA molecule generally double helical model. It is a long strand. These technique used by these Chargaff, Franklin and Wilkins. Based on these technique, Watson and Crick proposed by double helical model of DNA molecule. Generally, the double helical model of the DNA molecule consists two polynucleotide strands. The number of nucleotides are linked by phosphodiester bonds to form polynucleotides. Strands. In these strands are generally the right-handed spirally coiled. In this, one is move in one direction, another move in another direction. Both of these linked with the hydrogen bonds. Both of these polynucleotide strands are linked with the number of hydrogen bonds. Generally, the hydrogen bonds are present in between the adenine and thymine by 2 hydrogen bonds, whereas guanine and cytosine linked by 3 hydrogen bonds. In this, one is moves in one direction, 5' to 3', and whereas 3' to 5' direction. So, DNA molecule generally anti-parallel spirally coiled DNA molecule. In this, generally the right-handed. Some of these DNA molecules are types of DNA molecule A, B, C, D, E. All of these types of DNA molecules are arranged in right-handed DNA molecule, whereas only one type, Z type, it is a left-handed coiled DNA molecule. The next one is Chargaff rule. Chargaff rule generally double-stranded DNA as well as double-stranded RNA molecule. In this, double-stranded DNA molecule, double-stranded RNA molecule made up of purines and pyrimidines. Pyrimidines. Generally equimolar of purines and equimolar of pyrimidines. Purines are adenine, guanine, these cytosine and thymine. Adenine linked with thymine, guanine linked with cytosine. Chargaff's rule. Generally, the chemical basis of DNA molecule. Some of generalization by Chargaff based on double-stranded and double-stranded RNA molecule. Double-stranded DNA molecule as well as the double-stranded RNA molecule generally followed these generalization. Equimolar of the purines and equimolar of the pyrimidines. Purines are always equal to the pyrimidines. Pyrimidines are equal to the purines. Purines are adenine and guanine. Pyrimidines are cytosine and thymine. Always purine of adenine linked with pyrimidine of thymine. Purine of guanine always linked with pyrimidine of cytosine. Generally adenine linked with the thymine by double hydrogen bonds, 2 bonds, whereas guanine linked with 3 hydrogen bonds with cytosine. In this, purine bases, generally the base ratio identified with the help of Chargaff rule. Base ratio. base ratio identified with help of Chargaff rule. Generally, the base ratio identified A plus T by G plus C. The base ratio is a constant in almost all living organisms without change in tissue or increase its age. That is the Chargaff rule. Generally, the base ratio, it is a constant number of A plus T by G plus C. Okay. Base ratio A plus T by G plus C. Generally, the base ratio increases with advanced organisms. Base ratio decreases in primitive organism. Generally, the base ratio helps for identify of species. Okay.